Na'budu, a'budu is I worship. Na'budu, we worship. Iyaka, why iyaka? So now a bit of Arabic grammar. The experts, they say the beauty, the eloquence of the Quran there. And also how meaningful the word iyaka becomes there. In Arabic, had Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only said na'buduka, that was enough. Na'buduka, we worship only you. The meaning of na'buduka would have been we worship only you. But iyaka na'budu, why iyaka na'budu? Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is stressing that my slaves are promising to me, they are committing to me, they are making a pledge with me, a treaty with me, that for a surety they will absolutely worship none except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.